how to activate eSIM on your Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate eSIM on your Android. So the first step is to come to your settings application right away. When you come to your settings application, you have to come and search for SIM card management. Okay, so make sure you search for SIM management. Depending on the Android device you're having, some devices lack SIM management, but if yours has it, then you're good to go. So come and tap on SIM management. When you come and tap on SIM management, the last option over here will be mobile data plan. And if you don't have that option, it's okay, well and good. But if you have it, just come and tap on mobile data plan over here. When you tap on mobile data plan, you need to add in the eSIM that you're going to be using. Okay. Then after adding in the eSIM, you have to scan the QR code and then your provider will be added onto your phone and you'll be having 3 SIM cards at the same time. So one will be virtual because it's an eSIM. Alright. So that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.